Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Cochran, local and long-distance movers near me. Our drivers are certified professionals who know what they're doing and how to get from one town or state to another successfully and efficiently. They're meticulous and organized when sorting, labeling, lifting, moving, and driving your stuff to the new office space or home. They also pay rapt attention to customers' specifications and plans and relocation such that their things will get to their destination on time. Also, we're in charge of your move. You can rest easy knowing that your relocation is in the best hands in Cochran, Georgia. We are not careless with our clients' belongings because we know that many of them are fragile and may cost a fortune. However, if there's an accident at any stage of the move, we also have insurance to pay for the damage. You know things are also secure in our moving trucks through the relocation. If you're looking to move to a new place nearby, we're your best bet. We will cooperate with you and synchronize our plans to match your schedule to avoid unnecessary commotions. Our dedication and commitment to providing unique local moving services make us the best option for anyone looking to move within Cochran, Georgia. We're always available in Cochran, and if you need to move your things swiftly, we can help you out. Our prices are reasonable, costing only $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cochran moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.